Upgrade home comfort and energy control with intelligent temperature management designed for modern lifestyles. Best smart thermostat solutions deliver precise climate automation, remote access, utility savings, seamless integration, and reliable performance year-round for apartments, houses, and offices worldwide daily use. Number 1. Honeywell RTH95 Thermostat. The Honeywell RTH95 thermostat offers a versatile and user-friendly approach to home temperature control. Its Wi-Fi Smart Color programmable feature allows homeowners to customize the display to match their decor, making it as stylish as it is functional. Beyond aesthetics, it helps reduce energy usage with flexible programming options that can align with your schedule or local utility peak pricing programs. Customers can potentially earn rewards through utility demand response programs, which adjust AC or furnace settings during high demand periods. The bright touchscreen interface is intuitive, ensuring that adjusting settings is straightforward and hassle-free. Compatibility extends across forced air systems using gas, oil, or electricity, hot water and steam setups, as well as heat pumps with electric backup, though it does not support electric baseboard heat. The thermostat is ENERGY STAR certified, and it offers monthly energy reports and personalized energy-saving tips to help homeowners track and reduce their usage.
Number 2. Ecobee Certified Thermostat. The Ecobee Certified Thermostat is designed for homeowners seeking an intelligent, energy-conscious thermostat with strong compatibility and convenience. It can save up to 23% on annual heating and cooling costs by automatically adjusting based on your schedule, reducing energy consumption when the house is empty, and optimizing comfort when you return. The colored touchscreen provides intuitive control, while the Ecobee app allows remote management and monitoring of energy usage from anywhere. This thermostat is compatible with approximately 85% of home HVAC systems, and the online compatibility checker simplifies installation planning. For homes without a C-wire, the optional power extender kit ensures easy installation without compromising wall aesthetics. Pairing with major smart home ecosystems like Apple HomeKit, Google Assistant, and Alexa makes it highly adaptable for connected homes. Software upgrades are free, ensuring the thermostat remains current with the latest features. Overall, the Ecobee Certified Thermostat provides an ideal mix of energy savings, system compatibility, and smart home integration.
Number 3. Amazon Alexa Thermostat. The Amazon Alexa thermostat provides a seamless smart upgrade for homes transitioning from traditional thermostats. Its integration with select Echo devices and the Amazon Smart Air Quality Monitor allows the creation of comfort zones, automatically adjusting heating and cooling based on temperature or presence detection. Energy efficiency is a primary focus, as the thermostat is ENERGY STAR certified and can help reduce yearly energy costs, often with rebates offered by local utility providers. Users can easily control the temperature via Alexa voice commands or the mobile app, whether at home or on the go. The device also supports automatic switching between home, away, and sleep modes, maintaining optimal comfort while minimizing unnecessary energy use. Designed for simplicity, the Alexa thermostat provides an accessible option for households seeking smart climate control without complicated setup or advanced technical knowledge. It combines intuitive automation, remote management, and potential cost savings, making it a compelling choice for those invested in smart home ecosystems and energy-conscious living. Number 4. EMERSON ST75W Thermostat. The EMERSON ST75W thermostat, also known as the Sensi Smart Thermostat, is a top-rated choice for overall performance and user convenience.
USA Today's Reviewed.com highlighted it as an editor's choice for smart thermostats, reflecting its reputation for reliability and innovation. The thermostat offers smart maintenance features that monitor HVAC system efficiency and send usage notifications, equipment alerts, and maintenance reminders, including filter replacements. With over a century of HVAC expertise behind its design, the Sensi thermostat provides accurate and dependable temperature control. Integration with popular smart home platforms, including Amazon Alexa, Apple HomeKit, Google Assistant, and Samsung SmartThings, ensures seamless connectivity. Users can save about 23% on energy usage through flexible scheduling, geofencing, and remote access, while installation is straightforward, typically completed in 30 minutes or less. The built-in level, illuminated terminals, and step-by-step app instructions simplify setup without requiring wall repairs.
Number 5. Google Charcoal Thermostat. The Google Charcoal Thermostat, also known as the Nest Thermostat, is an energy-efficient solution designed for modern homes. It helps users reduce heating and cooling costs while maintaining comfort, automatically adjusting when the home is empty to prevent unnecessary energy usage. Energy Star certified, it supports connectivity via dual-band Wi-Fi and Bluetooth Low Energy, allowing easy integration with the Google Home app on both Android and iOS devices. The thermostat offers a programmable schedule that enables energy-conscious routines and can be controlled remotely by family members using a phone, tablet, or laptop. Most homes do not require a C-wire for installation, though some systems such as heating only, cooling only, or heat pumps may need additional accessories. The Nest thermostat emphasizes simplicity, energy tracking, and automation, making it a suitable choice for homeowners looking to save money and reduce environmental impact without sacrificing convenience. Its intuitive interface, combined with remote accessibility and energy-saving features, positions the Google Charcoal Thermostat as a practical choice for modern, connected households.
Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.